California Baby Aromatherapy Spritzer, Overtired by California Baby is one of the best sellers among baby aromatherapy products. Mist bedroom and pillows to unwind and relax. Portable aromatherapy, keep a bottle handy in your car, diaper bag, or playroom. The manufacturer is pure. Aromatherapy quality essential oils do not contain synthetic additives. They are tested for purity and guaranteed pesticide-free. Contains organic and sustainably grown ingredients. Moms can spray lower back and tummy to ease menstrual irritability and cramps. 5 ounces 195 milliliters spray bottle. Safe for newborns and older. Helps to change a cranky mood. Scented with chamomile, tangerine and sweet orange. Restore good humor to worn-out little bodies with the manufacturer's Overtired and Cranky Aromatherapy Mist that combines chamomile, tangerine, and sweet orange to help switch gears from cranky to sweet. Divert temper tantrums by spraying your child's bedroom, playroom, into your car before or after that cranky one enters. The manufacturer liked to use this spritzer after school, in the morning, and while shopping and traveling. Spray anywhere and everywhere, on the face and body, in a car or airplane, bedroom and pillows. Spray anytime with this conveniently sized and portable spray to relieve tension. No nut oils, gluten, soy, oat or dairy. Made in the U. Capital S. Capital A.